May picture tape na wala daw lipstick. Kasi ate Lisa lang ang may lipstick.
Hindi ako nagdala.
Okay, Romans 8. Open our Bible. Dalawa yung Bible ko, Tagalog. Kasi alam nyo naman yung Pilipit ako. Sayang, wala akong lipstick. Sana na lipstick.
30 ano?
Oh.
31 po.
Naimas.
31.
Naimas dito eh. Lami.
Five rules of happiness. 1. Don't hate anyone. 2. Don't compare yourself to others. 3. Don't worry about the past or future. 4. Don't expect to get what you